Starting off on old hair, I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear with my fingers.
Keep it real with a player, just answer your phone whenever I call, cause I'm riding on chrome. Whenever I ball, I like them short and tall, but not too thick.
I'm spraying my hair with water to make my hair more manageable.
Cause they like my style, and when I pop,
I'm taking a little bit of Echo styling gel to smooth down my hair so that it won't bulk up and look a mess.
I'll adore you. I treat you like milk. I'll do nothing to spoil you. Could call you my favorite boy. Could call me your favorite girl. Maybe we could spend some time. Could be your sunshine. Could call you my favorite boy. Could call me your.
Now for the front.
I know your friends wanna holler, cause I got them dollars. Push the way back Monday, Tuesday, and holler.
I like to work in sections. I find with my hair type I have to work in sections or my hair won't lay flat.
Always on the road, baby girl, that's how I live. I got bills to pay, I got moves to make. But when my plane touch down, pick me up at 8.
Detangling is the key to getting that hair smooth and flat. I'm going in with my DrawString Ponytail from HerGivenHair in the Coily texture. I'll have all the details about this ponytail in the description below. It has a comb on the top and on the bottom, along with the drawstring and the adjuster. I'm securing the ponytail to my hair with the combs. Then pulling the drawstring.
Look, I know you wanna deal with a player. All you gotta do is keep it real with a player. Just answer your phone whenever I call, cause
I wrap the drawstring around the ponytail and it literally looks like a ponytail holder.
Spot and take my pick and they wanna roll cause they like my style. And when I pop the collar, I make them smile. I need a lady.
This is what the hair looks like. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, but I want it to be a little bit more fuller, so I'm going to tease it to my liking. And this is the final look.
I know your friends wanna holler, cause I got them dollars. Push the way back Monday, Tuesday, and holler.
If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!
I got moves to make, but when my plane touch down, pick me up at 8.